how to make YouTube end cards. So today I'm going to show you this YouTube outro, how to create them in the website known as Canva. So let's go to the Canva. So you go to your browser, type in Canva, and after you type in Canva, it will bring you to the home page. But now after you go to the home page, go to create a design. Okay, when you go to create a design, you'll be able to choose video, because we want to create a video of how to end YouTube videos in our YouTube channel. So here, if your quality is not a 4K quality, you are fine by selecting this video, which is 1920 by 1080px. But if you want to do a more quality video, that is a 4K, now you go to custom size, you click there, and then to bring this pop-up whereby you input whatever dimension you want. So for a 4K, you put 3840, and for the 8 you put 2160. Okay, ensure this in px, then click create new design. It will pop up a new tab, which now will open you a new template whereby now you do your project for the video, and this is a 4K video. Now when it opens the template, just an overview of what we have here. So this is the download. After you have done everything, this is where we download. This is the time of our video. This is already set at 5, so you can play with it as per your wish. So these are the templates. You have the elements, you have the uploads, you have the text, you have the audio, you put the song, and then you have the more settings on this template. So we are only, for now, we are only interested in the template. So we need to choose which template we need to use. I just select one, for example, like this, to show you how to end your YouTube. So you see, after you have finished your YouTube, now you have the last part whereby now you say thank you for watching, do not forget to subscribe. You see, like this one is completely okay. Here is where you put your picture, the logo of your YouTube channel, and maybe here is where you put the video you want them to click to, maybe to see more other videos. The other video maybe the most watched, or maybe the most watched, or maybe the one you choose yourself, or the one which is related to the whatever they are watching. So these are already complete template. There are so many of them. You can choose a variety of them. Okay, there's so much of them here. So here we just scroll down and choose. So this one is already ready. This one just, this I don't see anything else. Maybe to change the color, maybe, yeah, because I can see it's already ready. Maybe if the color is not okay with you, just click the background, you come here, and then you choose whatever color fits you. Maybe if it is black, it becomes black. It is red, maybe, and if you want to choose a random, like you want to create your own color, maybe like this, for me that is fine. Maybe for this I want it to change from black to, maybe I want to change it to a different color. So you come and try and make it a little bit more friendly, something like that. So if this also, you can play around with all this. If it's that, click there, go to the color, play around with it, make something beautiful kind. So check this, these are beautiful. Finish depending on the characteristic of your channel. So, and this will play for 5 seconds. Then if you want to do some animation for this, you can click animate, so that you can change something here. So you'll see when there's a block, this comes like that. You see you have like breathe, does that, faint like that, pan. So some of these are free, some of them are pro, it depends. See, like this is a pro one. So if you have a free your logging is, if you have logged in a free subscription, you'll not be able to use these ones. But for me, they're already paid, so I'm able to use these ones. So maybe I can choose the base, for example. Okay, baseline. Okay, so that is how it will appear. So if you want to review, you just click here. This one's for preview. So you click here, it will show you how it will appear. Okay. So let's close. So that was just an example of one which is kind of ready. Okay, so I just click add another page just to show you. So it has just duplicated whatever color was up there, but I don't need this color, so I click delete, so that I have a plain for working. So I need you to come here, type YouTube outro. Okay, because we need the outro for the YouTube. Okay, so I need us to select another one, but now I need to select which has a lot of editing. These are good YouTube outros which I'm showing you, templates which you can get from here. So let's choose this. You see, this is a pro, so you need to have a pro account. But if you have a free one, I'll show this pro, then we choose one. Another one which is free, then we edit. Okay, so this one's a pro. Let's just select also this, I show you. So this one is also kind of ready. You see, the good thing with the pro ones is that a lot has been done for you, so it's kinda, you just download and use them. You see, like this one, see there, watch more, subscribe, the image comes here. So this one you can delete and put your own image. You see, I've just highlighted and deleted, so you just delete, so that when in your video at the end of it, now you can put your logo here. The next video it comes here. So this one you can delete here because you need to go and put the video, so you don't have to have anything here. You can say watch more, or you can even edit and put more writing here. You can say, you can even delete and write as per the way you want. Okay, so you can say for more videos. Okay, something like that. Okay, yeah, something like that. Okay, so that is okay. So you can even change this color, the background if you want. The animation is okay. Okay, another one. I'm just showing you how to create YouTube outros, or how to create your YouTube ad pages, so that you can be able to finish your YouTube videos in a better way. So now you are going to look for a free version. So I'll choose this. This is free. You see this one? This is free. So we choose this one. This is free. We choose this. It's free of no payment at all. This is free. This is pro. This is free. So your picture comes here. So this one you can edit. For example, you don't need this. You don't need this. So you can edit that. This one you pull. We need to put our picture here for the subscription, our YouTube logo. So thank you for watching. So we need to put subscribe. So this one you can edit, remove this, then here we can say remove this, so you can say maybe subscribe. Okay, that's fine. So even you can put this, change this color, come here. I'm just doing some editing, so this need to be red, yes, and like that. Then this one you can get rid of it, don't need this. This you can, yeah, this is okay, this is beautiful. Okay, that's beautiful, put it there. So maybe you can change these colors to a different color, just to make it more pleasing. Okay, so yeah, something like that. I hope I'm not mixing this color so much, so I don't know. So I'm just looking for a better color which can really suit us well. Let's see. This is better for me. Okay, So maybe you can even change the background. You can even change the background if you want, from black to whatever color you want. Doesn't matter. You can change the background to whatever color fits your YouTube channel or your brand. Okay, so maybe I put that, and then yeah, I think that's fine. Even you can increase the size of this if you want. You can increase the size of the subscription. You can play around with editing of your ad card. So here the one video comes here, another video comes here, and then the logo of your company comes here, or your YouTube channel comes here. So you have created 3 of them, three ad pages, which you can really use to do wonders with your account or your YouTube channel. So the other thing is for the last one, I didn't choose the animation. So you come here, it is in fade, so I can change it to whatever I want. I can put the block, you see the way it is appearing, or you can choose this, choose rise. It depends, whatever fits you. Storm, you see, maybe choose storm for example. For the second one, you choose it is in the second one is choices. Let me see. You need to choose the background only, so you have to be very careful here. Yeah. So this one doesn't have effects, I think so. Doesn't have. This one doesn't have. Okay. So now we go to check on the time now. You see, there's a duration here. So this one is 5 seconds. This is 5.4. So you can even adjust the time here. So here you can move the cursor, or you can type here physically. So you just put all of them at 5. So this one also needs to be 5. Just save on time 5. Correct. So then we can even preview all of them. There are 3 of them, so they need to be 15. Oh, there's another page which is there down. I need to delete this because we don't need this, so we can delete here. So it need to be 15. Yes, correct. So you can place. You see the preview. So this is how it will be. These are 3 of them. I've created 3 outros. You're not going to use all of them. You can use one by one. One by one. I'm just previewing all of them. So now you can put even a song on the outro if you want, or you can combine with the rest of the song, the rest of the clip songs, or you can leave it like that. So this is the easiest way. An YouTube ad page or ad video or an outro for your YouTube channel to improve it. So I'm going to show you how to download this to your computer. So you come here to download. These are MP4, so we need to choose the MP4. So I'm not going to download all of them in one page, so I'm going to download one by one. So I'll choose like the first one alone, so that it comes alone. Then press OK, then download. So it will download the first one alone, not a combination of the 3. So you can download one by one, so that then you can use them individually to your individual YouTube channel videos. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download this, then we preview it from the computer, and then now you're done. Just downloading. So I'm just downloading the first one first of all, so that you see it comes through. Okay, start, then open. So this is just to show you how it looks in our computer now. We are playing it using our player in the computer now. So this is how it will look like. So I think we need to play it again, so that I think it was just loading. there's a glitch in my computer. Okay, that's all. So basically that's the procedure of how to create your YouTube intro and how to download it to your computer. So guys, thank you for watching. Be blessed.